Intensala presenting Grand Summer Internship Fair, where 3,500 plus companies are participating and hiring interns for summer internship. Hello friends, there are many companies which are hiring now, and here is your friend Akshay, and I am going to introduce about this internship fair. So this is the platform of Internshala, and where there are many companies are hiring, just like Reliance, OnePlus, Delivery, and Boat. Many other startups are there which is hiring here. So there is a very big fair. You must participate in this so that you also got internship in this summer. So here you can see how to get internship. Firstly, there are many popular brands and you only need to apply for them, and the application process on Internshala is very easy to apply for any job. And here you can see 10,000 plus internships in big tech companies, and there are many other startups also which are unpaid internships. There you can earn experience, but there are many internships, majority internships are paid internships here, so must participate in this. And here you can see some previous interns which take benefit of this grand internship fair. So here you can see the first is of category of marketing, and here it is offered by OnePlus. And next is a Kotak Bank internship where it is required UI UX design interns. Next is from Reliance Operations Media, and this is a 3-month internship and you can start immediately. Here you can see this is from the Times of India group, and this is also a 4-month internship, and also there are stipend. So you can see here there are mainly all the companies are offering stipend. There are very less internships which are unpaid here, so you must participate and take a benefits of this a big internship fair. You can see here there are some startups also, just like Urban Company, and it is offering 8,000 per month for the 3-month internship. So this is also a very good. Delivery is there. Also IIT Kanpur is offering coding internship, means there is a software development internships there, and graphic design internship. There are many internships, and if you want some other category and want some specific categories, so here you just go for the filters where you can type with the skills which you have. And after that, if you want some specific location, or if you want both work from home internship and location based internship, you just type here and you got all the internship recommendation here. Also part-time internships are there, full-time internships are there. You can browse any internships and just start applying for that. So I am going to show you in this video how to apply for any internship also. So here I am firstly going for internship which is offering from OnePlus. Here you can see category marketing work from home internship is there, and 15,000 stipend is there for work from home. And what is the skills required, how you can apply, I am going to show you. There is a box, there is a certificate, and only 2 openings are there, means there is a heavy traffic for any internship. So if you are early applicant, so there is more chances to get any internship. So I am going for apply. So here by tapping on apply now and creating your profile on Internshala, you just start application process. And here there is 2 last questions which you need to answer from yourself. For each internship there is a specific answers, so you must read all the questions, specifically these 2 questions, and after that you got applied for that internship. So this is a grand chance for you. You must apply for this internship fair, and also subscribe my channel for getting this type of information always. Thank you.